I am in the sky. I am in the center of the sky. Now it is noon, afternoon. Okay, I am setting. It is called evening. Okay, when sun sets, right, it is called evening. Do you know the directions in which I rise and set? This is what sun saying to the child. In which direction I rise and set? Do you know? Look at the picture. I rise in the east direction. In which direction sun will get rise, children? In east direction, Purva. Okay. Rihanna stands facing me and watches me rise. Okay. One girl is standing and she is facing towards the sun rising. Okay. In which direction? East. Where she stands towards the sun, right? The direction is called east. Okay. Back side of her face, the direction is called west. Then left hand side, the direction is called north. Right hand side, the direction is called south. Okay. In that way we can recognize the directions. Okay. Now Rihanna is back towards the west. I set in the west. Rihanna is stretching her left hand, showing a tree. The tree is in north direction. I told you, right? I told you earlier, your left hand side, where sun will get rise, right? You have to stand towards the sunrise. That direction is east. Your back side of your face, that direction is west. And left side of your hand, that is north. And right side of your hand, that is south. In that way we can recognize the directions. Okay. Next, Pawan is standing facing east in this picture. Means east means where sun will get rise, right? That direction is east. Observe the picture, complete the following sentences. Okay, now we're going to write this. The coconut tree is to the dash of Pawan. Coconut tree is in the north side, right? Left side means north. Coconut tree is to the left of Pawan. Left, L-E-F-T, left side means north. The dog is in the dog is means back side of his face means it is west. Dog is in the west. The coconut tree is to the north of Pawan. Towards the south there is a cow. Write down. The first one is north. The second one is west. Third one south. There is a cow, right? Okay. Okay, next one. Don't look at the sun with your naked eyes. We can't see. Okay, there are special spectacles prepared to see the sun. Okay, special like tools are there to see the sun. We should not supposed to see the sun directly through eyes, children. It will get harm. Our eyes get harmful. It is very harmful to our eyes. Okay, it will very harmful to our eyes. So we should not supposed to see directly through our eyes. There is some tools to see the sun. Okay, like spectacles, special cooling glasses are there. Okay, to see the sun. Use that special glasses and to see the sun. Okay, take the help of teachers, elders to see the sun through these spectacles. Okay, next, it is a time for me to set. Now it will get dark. Dear children, see the sky now. When sun sets right in the west, means it will get dark. Nature, atmosphere, sky will become little bit dark, right? Yes, black. Now we can able to see the moon and stars after 6:32. Means after 6:30 we can able to see moon and stars in the sky. What do you see at night? Write them here. Moon and stars, right here. Moon and stars. Next, about moon. I am the moon. I am visible in the sky during night time. See my shape every night. My shape undergoes changes. I told you, right? From the full moon day to new moon day. You just observe how the moon phases will be changes, it seems. Okay, fully visible, it is called full moon day. When I am not visible, it is called new moon day, Amavasya. Okay. Next, 15 square, already I told about this one. Here one song they have given. Color these pictures. Sun, star and moon. Color these pictures. Sing and enjoy. Rising up in the east is the sun, giving out his heat to all. The birds started flying from their nest. All are working at their best. Pretty moon, shining too bright, shining so bright. Join with the stars and play the whole night. Twinkling little stars, come to me, dear ones. Let us shine your light and play with you all night. Okay, here we can say some rhyming words, children. One is nest, best, N-E-S-T, nest, best. Okay. Next, bright night, bright night. Next, one more, light night also we can say. Okay. Okay, this is what about the lesson in the sky. Okay, now I am going to give you some new words regarding this lesson in the sky. Write down soon. New words. Sky, stars, moon, directions, east, west, north, south, clouds, rainbow, day, D-A-Y, day, 12th one, night, N-I-G-H-T, night, right also. Next, sky, stars, moon, directions, east, west, north, south, clouds, rainbow, day. Next, another two. Sunlight, S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T. Sunlight, sunlight, S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T, sunlight. Next, earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth. The last one, 15th one. 15th one, sky, stars, moon, directions, east, west, north, south, clouds, rainbow, day, night, sunlight, earth. The last one, what we can write, children? Daytime, nighttime, over, right? Yes, sunrise, right? Sunrise, 16th one, sunset, S-U-N-S-E-T, sunset. Okay, these are the 16 odd words I have to given to learn and write. I hope you will learn. All you will learn. Okay, if you learn all the words what I have given regarding the topic in the sky, it will helpful for you only, children, to attend like the mains like missing letters and rearrange the words. While writing the question and answer also, it will become easy for you only. That's the reason I'm giving these new words to learn and write. I hope you all will learn. Okay, until the next session, take care of yourself. Keep learning, keep recalling about the topic in the sky. Try to understand the topic about in the sky. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye, children.